Hello students, good morning to all of you. In yesterday's video, we just started to learn the new topic, and that topic was coordination compounds. So in yesterday's video, we first of all studied the definition of coordination compounds in the introduction. Later on, we studied definition and types of ligands in detail. So, after this, today we are going to study the next article, that is terms used in coordination chemistry. So, in coordination chemistry, coordination compounds are studied. So, during the study of coordination compounds, various terms are used like coordination pair, then complex ion, then counter ions, etc. So let's study terms used in coordination chemistry. First one, it is the coordination pair. So central metal atom or ion, central metal atom or ion and ligand attached to it, and ligand attached to it, ligand attached to it are enclosed, are enclosed in a square bracket, in a square bracket, and is together called as coordination pair. So this is the definition of coordination pair. So coordination pair, it is nothing but central metal atom or ion and ligand attached to it, and they are enclosed in a square bracket, and together it is called as coordination pair. To understand this definition, let's take one example. So in a complex K4FeCN6, K4FeCN6. So in a complex K4FeCN6, its name is potassium ferrocyanide. So in the complex K4FeCN6, the coordination pair is square bracket FeCN 6 times, and on this ion 4 minus charge is present. So this species, it is called as coordination pair. Why it is called as coordination pair? Because coordination pair, it is nothing but central metal atom or ion. See here in this complex, this Fe, it is the central metal atom and ligand attached to it. So cyanide ions or cyanide ligands are attached to the Fe, and they are present in a square bracket. They are present in a square bracket. So this total part, it is called as coordination sphere. Then we are going to study the next term, and that term, it is the complex ion. So complex ion is nothing but when coordination sphere comprising central metal ion and surrounding ligand. When coordination sphere when coordination sphere comprising central metal ion comprising central metal ion and surrounding ligands together carry a net charge and is called complex ion. Listen once again. So complex ion, it is nothing but when coordination sphere comprising central metal ion and surrounding ligand together carry a net charge and is called as complex ion. So in the complex K4 FeCN6 4 minus, it is the complex ion, because this ion, it is along with central metal ion atom or ion and surrounding ligands, that is CN or cyanides. So that's why this is called as complex ion. Then the next term which is used in coordination chemistry is counter ions. So the ionizable groups shown outside the bracket, the ionizable group which is shown outside the bracket, is called or are counter ions. So the ionizable group which is shown outside the bracket are counter ions. Let's see this example, K4 FeCN6. So here counter ion in this complex, counter ion is K plus. Ionizable group which is shown outside the bracket. So outside the bracket, this is the ionizable group. So therefore, here in this complex, counter ion is K plus. Counter ion is K plus. So when this complex, it ionizes, when this complex it ionizes, then reaction can be represented in this fashion. So complex is K4 in square bracket FeCN6. So this compound or complex, it on ionization it produces K plus ions, and another is FeCN6 4 minus ions. So FeCN6 4 minus, they are called as complex ion, and ionizable group which is shown outside the bracket, that is K plus ion. This is the counter ion. So thus here we studied the terms used in coordination chemistry. First term, it is the coordination sphere, second one is complex ion, and third one it is the counter ions. So after studying terms used in coordination chemistry, the next article which we are going to study is charge number of complex ion and oxidation state of metal ion. So let's study charge number of complex ion and oxidation state of metal ion. So the net charge carried by complex ion is called its charge number. Charge number is nothing but the net charge. So the net charge carried by complex ion, net charge carried by a complex ion is called its charge number. So it is equal to, charge number is equal to algebraic sum of charges carried out by central metal ion. Charges carried out by central metal ion. And ligands attached to it. Listen once again. The net charge carried by a complex ion is called its charge number. So on this complex there is no net charge, but on this complex ion, this is the 4 minus charge present, and it is its charge number. So charge number, it is equal to algebraic sum of charges carried out by central metal ion and ligand attached to it. So the charge carried by central metal ion, a central metal ion is its oxidation state. So the charge carried by central metal ion is its oxidation state. To understand what is the relation between charge number of complex ion and oxidation state of metal ion, let's take example. So consider the complex FeCN6 4 minus. So charge number of FeCN6 4 minus is minus 4, because the net charge carried by a complex ion is its charge number. So we are considering the complex FeCN6 4 minus. So on this complex, net charge carried by a complex ion is 4 minus, that is minus 4. So minus 4, it is the charge number of this complex. So this minus 4, it can be calculated because it is equal to algebraic sum of charges carried out by central metal atom or ion and ligands attached to it. So it may be calculated as below. So charge number of FeCN6 4 minus, it is equal to algebraic sum of charges carried out by central metal ion, that is oxidation state of metal, and this metal is Fe, therefore oxidation state of Fe plus algebraic sum of charges carried out by central metal ion and ligands attached to it. So here plus charge of ligand. So see here is equal to oxidation state of Fe plus charge of ligand. Here total 6 ligands are present and charge present on the ligand is minus 1. Therefore we can write here 6 into charge on Cn minus ion. So therefore is equal to, so oxidation state of Fe in this complex, it is plus 2. Then here there is an algebraic sum in between these two, that's why plus. Then here 6 into charge on Cn minus is minus 1. Therefore it is equal to minus 4. So minus 4, it is the charge number of this complex. Then we are going to study the next article, that is calculation of oxidation number or oxidation state of central metal atom. Let's study calculation of oxidation number, or it is also called as oxidation state. So for this purpose, consider a complex ion, that is FeCN6 3 minus. So consider a complex ion. So it have charge number of it have charge number of -3 because the charge is present. That's why charge number is -3. So this -3 it can be utilized. It can be utilized to calculate oxidation state of Fe. Oxidation state of Fe. So we can write here equation as charge number of FeCN6 3 minus is -3. Therefore -3 equal to charge number, it is nothing but it is equal to algebraic sum of charge carried out by central metal ion, that is oxidation state of Fe, oxidation state of Fe plus 6 into charge on 6 into charge on ligand, that is Cn minus ion. So here is equal to, so 3 minus or -3 equal to oxidation state of Fe, oxidation state of Fe plus 6 ligands are present, that's why 6 into, and charge on Cn minus is -1. Therefore, by solving this oxidation state of Fe, oxidation state of Fe is equal to -3 plus 6 is equal to +3. So oxidation state of Fe in this complex ion is +3. So to understand this concept again, take another example. So oxidation state of nickel, that is Ni, in complex NiCO 4 times. We are going to calculate oxidation state of nickel in this complex. So these cobalt ions, they are neutral molecules. So the sum of oxidation number of all the species, it is equal to 0 because this is the neutral ligand. Therefore we can write here charge, likewise charge number of complex is equal to oxidation state of, like this one, oxidation state of here nickel, oxidation state of nickel plus charge on ligand, so is equal to, so charge number of complex, here there is no charge, that's why it is taken as 0. So here oxidation state of nickel, 0 is equal to oxidation state of nickel plus 4 cobalt ligands are present, that's why 4 into 4 into, so cobalt, it is the neutral ligand, so it having a charge 0, so 4 into 0. Therefore when we can solve this total equation, we can write here oxidation state of nickel, here it is 0. So in this way we can calculate oxidation number of metal in a given complex. So after finishing how oxidation number or oxidation state can be calculated, now we are going to study the next article, and that article is coordination number, that is Cn, of central metal ion. Let's study coordination number, that is Cn, of central metal ion. So the number of ligands which are directly linked to the central metal atom. See here, the number of ligands, which are directly attached to central metal atom. Directly attached to central metal atom or ion in a complex, that is coordination compound, is known as coordination number, of metal atom or ion. So this is the definition of coordination number. So coordination number of central metal ion, it is nothing but the number of ligands which are directly attached to the central metal atom or ion in a complex is known as coordination number of metal atom or ion. So it is often abbreviated as C dot N dot, that is Cn. It is abbreviated as, coordination number is abbreviated as C dot N dot, that is Cn. Cn means coordination number. So to understand this, let's take one example. So consider a complex CO, then here ligands are NH3 and here Cl2, and here on this complex there is -1 charge. There is a -1 charge. So in this complex ion, 4 ammonia molecules and 2 chloride ions, that is totally 6. That is total 6 ligands are attached to the central metal ion or atom, that is cobalt. So all these ligands, they are monodentate because each has only one donor atom. So here 6 donor atoms, 4 ammonia molecules and 2 chloride ions. 6 donor atoms are in the complex. Therefore coordination number therefore coordination number of this complex is totally 6. Coordination number of complex or coordination number of central metal atom, that is CO3 plus ion in the complex this complex is 6. So 6, it is the coordination number. So consider bidentate ligands. Consider bidentate ligands. Bidentate ligands means in such type of ligands 2 atoms are present and these are 2 donor atoms. So consider bidentate ligand, that is C2O4 2 minus, that is oxalate ion, or consider another bidentate ligand, that is ethylene diamine. So it having a short form EN, ethylene diamine. So the complexes Fe in bracket C2O4 3 times 3 minus charge is present, and another complex CO ethylene diamine 3 times and it having a charge 3 plus. Here these complex, they have 3 bidentate ligands. 3 bidentate ligands. See here C2O4 3 times, then here ethylene diamine 3 times. So these two have 3 bidentate ligands. The total donor atom in 3 of ligands is 6. So the total donor atom in 3 of ligands, in these ligands each having a 2 donor atoms, that's why total donor atoms are 6. So the total donor atom in 3 of ligands is 6, and coordination number of Fe3 plus and CO3 plus, CO3 plus is 6. See here, so these two complex we are studying. So these two complex, they have 3 bidentate ligands. Here 3 bidentate ligands, here 3 bidentate ligands. So total donor atom in 3 ligands is 6, and therefore coordination number of Fe3 plus or CO3 plus is 6. So this is the coordination number of Fe or CO in this complex. So coordination number of a metal, coordination number of metal ion in a complex is the number of ligands, the number of ligand donor atoms directly attached to it, or number of electron pairs, involved in coordination bond. Coordination bond. So here we studied in detail about coordination number of a central metal ion by considering the examples. So in today's video, we first of all studied terms used in coordination chemistry. First term was coordination sphere, second one was complex ion, and third one was counter ions. To understand these terms, we are considering the example, and that example is potassium ferrocyanide complex, that is K4FeCN6. Then we studied charge number of complex ion and oxidation state of metal ion. By taking example here, we understand charge number of a complex ion and how oxidation state of metal ion it can be calculated. Or here in the next article, we studied calculation of oxidation number or oxidation state of central metal ion by taking example of this complex. Lastly, we studied coordination number of central metal ion in detail by studying the examples. So today we are going to stop here. Thank you.